Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Guerra. Today we will be going over lesson 37, page 126. When I say go, you will have 10 seconds to write your name at the top of the paper and park your pencils. Ready, set, and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Your pencil should be parked. All right, let's put our finger on the first problem. So I'm going to read the directions. The directions say, listen to each story. Show the story with your fingers on the number path. Then fill in the number sentence. So we're on the first problem. It says, Freddie had 3 strawberries for a snack. His dad gave him 2 more strawberries. How many strawberries does Freddie have now? So before we get started, we're going to circle the sign so that we know what kind of problem we're working. What sign is this? Yes, it's a plus sign. When we work a plus sign, we know that we are getting more. So your number sentence has already been written for you. It says he has 3 strawberries and he gets 2 more. So 3 plus 2 equals, if I'm on the 3 right here and I'm going to jump 2 spots, 1, 2, what number am I on? Yes, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. If you do not want to use your number line, that's okay. You can also draw the picture. It says that he has 3 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, and then he gets 2 more strawberries. It says Freddie ate 2 of his strawberries. How many strawberries does Freddie have now? So remember, after he added his strawberries, he had 5 altogether. So our whole starts with 5, and we're going to circle our sign. What kind of problem are we going to be working? Yes, a takeaway. This is a minus sign, so we're going to work a takeaway problem. It says he had 5 strawberries. How many strawberries did Freddie eat? Yes, 2. So we have 5, and then we're going to take away 2. 1 and 2. 5 take away 2 equals 3. Oops. Remember, if we need help drawing the picture, we can. So we can look at the picture up here. It says that he has 5 strawberries and he ate 2 strawberries. So we'll cross out 1 and 2. And then it shows that he has how many strawberries left? Yes, 3. 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, the next problem you're going to do by yourself. I will read you the story. It says, Logan had 7 frogs. 2 frogs hopped away. How many frogs does Logan have now? So you're going to fill in your number sentence to match the story that Logan had 7 frogs, but 2 frogs hopped away. How many does he have now? Okay, and then the next one says, pretend that Logan's 2 frogs hopped back. How many frogs does he have now? Don't forget to circle your sign so that you know what kind of problem you're working with. All right, let's go on to the next page. Now we are on page 127. So, we're at the top of the page, and it's the same thing that we did on the other page. I'll read you the problem. It says, Stella had 4 pennies. She found 3 more pennies. How many pennies does Stella have now? So I'm going to circle my sign so I know what kind of problem I'm working. What kind of problem am I going to work? Yes, a plus problem. All right, so it says Stella had 4 pennies. So I'm going to start with what number? Yes, 4. So I'll write 4 right here. How many more pennies did she find? Yes, she found 3 more. So 4 plus 3 equals how many pennies? How many pennies does Stella have now? So I'll use the number line to help me. She had 4 and she found 3 more. So I'll move 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. What number am I on? Yes, 7. 4 plus 3 equals 7. And remember, if you need to draw the picture, you can draw the picture to the side. She has 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4. And she found 3 more pennies. 1, 2, 3. How many does she have now? Yes, altogether she has 7 pennies. Okay, let's read the next problem. It says, Stella gave 3 pennies to her dad. How many pennies does she have now? So we're going to circle our sign because she gave some away. So what kind of problem are we working? Yes, a minus problem. So we have to think back at the problem that we worked before that. How many pennies did she have altogether? Yes, 7. So 7 is going to be our whole. She had 7 pennies. And how many did she give to her dad? Yes, 3. So 7 minus 3 equals, now let's figure out how many pennies she has. So I'm at 7 and I'm going to go back 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. How many pennies does she have now? Yes, she has 4. Remember, I can use my picture as well. If you look over here, it'll show that you have 7 pennies. And how many did she lose? Yes, 3. So I'll cross out 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So now my picture matches my number sentence. Okay, on the next one, I'll read it for you, and then you will work on this one by yourself. The story says, Marissa made 8 bracelets. She loved them so much she did not give any away. So don't get fooled, she did not give any away. How many bracelets does Marissa have now? Actually, we'll do this one together. So she has 8 bracelets. That is our whole. Oh, I forgot to circle my sign. So what kind of problem am I working? Yes, a minus problem. So our whole is going, our whole will go first. 8. She has 8 bracelets. She did not give any away. So how many did she give away? 0. She didn't give any away. So that number is 0. 8 minus 0 equals, how many does she still have? Yes, she still has 8 bracelets. All right, now our next problem says, Jackson found 6 toys under his bed. He looked and did not find any more toys. He couldn't find any more toys. How many toys does Jackson have now? So don't forget to circle your sign and work the problem to show that he had 6 toys. He looked and he could not find any more. How many does he have now? Ready, set, and go. 27. All right, we're going to go on to the next page. We are now on page 128. So listen to the story. Show the story with your fingers on the number path, then fill in the number sentence and the number bond. So we'll do the first one together. It says, Joey had 5 pennies. He found 3 pennies in the couch. How many pennies does Joey have now? So I'll circle my sign so that I know what kind of problem I'm working. What kind of problem am I working? Yes, a plus problem. He finds more. So how many pennies did Joey have to begin with? Yes, 5. So 5 is our first part. 5. How many more pennies did he have? Or did he, how many more pennies did he find? Yes, 3. So 3 is our next part. 5 plus 3 equals, so we can show that on the number line like this. I have 5 and I'm going to move 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3 equals, yes, 8. 8 is our whole. He has 8 pennies altogether. So when I fill in my number sentence, I know, or my number bond, I know that 8 is my whole, and 5 and 3 are my parts. You're going to do the next one together, or by yourself. Joey gave the 3 pennies to his dad. How many pennies does Joey have now? So you'll circle your sign so you know that you're going to work a minus problem. Remember his whole. He had 8 pennies and now he gave 3 to his dad. How many does he have left? All right, and now we will do the last page. Okay, so this is your homework. I'll read you the directions, and then this is the picture that you'll have, that your mommies and daddies will take a picture of and send to me so that I can take your grade. So it says, Siri had 9 pennies. She looked all around the house but could not find any more pennies. How many pennies does she have now? So you can circle your sign so that you know what kind of problem you're working, and then don't forget to fill in your number bond. The next problem says, there were 8 children waiting for the school bus. No more children came to the bus stop. How many children are waiting now? Don't forget to circle your sign and complete your number sentence and your number bond. All right, boys and girls, that will be it for today. If you have any questions, have your mommies and daddies reach out to me. Thank you so much, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.